Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing woodworking tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Blade and bit cleaning system. This cleaning system is another true innovation from the MinliGUY. A clean carbide edge is essential to cut quality. When your blades and bits seem like they're not cutting as well as they used to, odds are they're not dull, they're dirty. The junk that builds up around the carbide puts stress on your machine, generates more heat, gives you burny tear-out cuts. The blade clean system makes quick work of cleaning saw blades and router bits without the use of harsh chemicals. This all-in-one solution is designed to clean an entire side of the blade in a single motion. The system includes a magnetic handle for safe blade handling, a heavy-duty mandrel, 6 small abrasive discs, and a good old-fashioned wire brush. The lid features a router bit cleaning wheel allowing you to handle, soak, and clean your bit safely. The discs are also great for cleaning other metal tools in your shop like chisels, hand planes, or restoring old hardware. When you're all done, simply close it up and store it away for later use. Küberit Easy Bending Tool. It is using bending machine, and its many accessories makes the products easy to model and adapt to the necessary curvature. MinliGUY Precision Setup Bars. 4 sides are marked in decimal and fractional, which is square bar set with the same height for each side. MinliGUY setup bar set is labeled with large text size mark on 4 sides, which make them easy to read. CNC machined, anti-rust and prevent corrosion, durable for long time usage. It is coming with a storage case, which is pocket size, and with EVA lining that keeps the blocks in place to protect each measuring bar properly. MinliGUY setup gauge blocks are widely used in workshop, machine shop, like measuring the height, depth, or distance of the fence, blades bits on your router table, table saw, and other cutters with high precision. Laguna Tools SuperBrush. SuperMax Tools offers a wide variety of SuperBrush sanders to meet the many needs of any woodworking shop. Our goal is to provide an excellent price machine yielding an incredible return on investment by creating faster output, reduced rework, and greater product consistency. These easy-to-use machines come with an extremely low learning curve and offer many different features which include quick change brush heads, infinitely variable brush and conveyor speeds to allow for endless finish possibilities, adjustable tension rollers to prevent stock slippage, and precision height adjustments. Our SuperBrush sanders come in sizes ranging from 24-inch to 49-inch with single and or double brush head offerings to meet all your finishing needs. Trim Buddy Finish Work Multi-Tool. Trim Buddy Multi-Tool comes with 5-in-1 tools to help speed up the finishing work. The compact size makes it easy to use and store. This multi-tool sets 1/4-inch trim reveal on doors and windows, has a 2-inch ruler for measuring and marking short offsets, easy to scribe trim for the perfect fit, marks 45 degrees cutting or reference lines, and marks offset parallel lines for nails, screws, or cutting. Woodpecker's new auto-line drill guide goes where a drill press can't and keeps your bit perpendicular to your work. The standard hex shank fitting made to any cordless or corded drill in seconds. Even faster for quick change adapters. Tight tolerance bearings and a 1/2-inch gear chuck deliver minimal run. The chuck carrier rides on Teflon bushings following polished stainless steel columns. Notice the taper machine in the column. That's where you lock the depth stop, with minimal clamping force on the stop knob. The taper prevents the stop from slipping, no matter how many times you bang into. First, there are laser engraved guides in the base. Line them up with your witness marks and your bit is perfectly centered. Next, we included a versatile fence system. The fence guide rods mount to any edge of the base, and the fence mounts to the guide rods in 4 different positions. You can slide it under the base to work close to an edge. You can turn it around to obtain maximum distance. You can flip it on edge to have a wider base, or you can put the thin edge down and create an outrigger for additional support. When you need a hole centered on your stock, remove the centering pins from their storage position. Thread them into the bottom of the base. Now hold 1 pin tight to each side of your board, and your bit is right on center. The hole in the base allows for drills up to 1 inch. When you need to drill larger holes, just remove the column caps, turn the chuck carrier around, and now you can use up to 2 inch for snare bits. We even machined a V into the base to help you drill round material. Milescraft EuroHingeJig. The all-in-one kit contains everything you need to start and complete cabinet door mounting projects. The self-aligning jig works with both frameless and face frame cabinets. Using the built-in edge alignment knobs, you can quickly select from one of the 6 most common hinge cup offsets for the most popular hinge styles and cup locations. And using the edge locator pin, you can make sure your hinge cups are placed the same 3 or 4 inches from the top and bottom of your door. The large flat body of the EuroHingeJig allows for plenty of clamping options. Once the dig is aligned, it's time to drill. The carbide tip EuroHinge bit makes quick work of boring out the perfect 35mm hole, and the metal bushing line drill guide that assures that your holes are straight and flat. After your cut is drilled, the EuroHingeJig also perfectly positions your pilot holes for hinges with 2 preset metal bushing settings. To finish off your cabinet, the EuroHingeJig even has an included hinge marking guide to help position and mount your door to the cabinet. Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig XL. It brings the proven strength and simplicity of Kreg Pocket-Hole joinery to projects built using 2x4 and 4x4 boards. This pocket-hole jig makes it possible to build with twice the strength, using larger XL pocket hole screws that are engineered to offer impressive holding power. Whether you're building projects indoors or outdoors, the Pocket-Hole Jig XL makes it easy to build big and build strong. It starts with the jigs, dual hardened steel drill guides. They guide the stepped XL drill bit at the perfect angle every time to create a perfectly positioned pocket hole using any ordinary drill. A pair of sliding locking stops. Adjust easily to match the board you're using, whether it's a 2x4 or 4x4, just press the tabs and move the sliders to either thickness. Setting up the stepped XL pocket hole drill bit is just as simple, thanks to easy set markings that are etched into the bit. Just slide the stop collar until the proper board thickness shows through the window, and then tighten the collar using the included hex wrench. Now position the Pocket-Hole Jig XL on your board, so the sliders are against the edge or end of the board, and then clamp the jig in place. The clamp pad adapter that comes with the jig works with Kreg clamps, as well as many other kinds. There's also Kreg Grip Max material on the underside of the jig that helps it grip the board. Chuck the hex shank of the XL drill bit in your drill, and then just drill until the stop collar contacts the drill guide. The bit drills the pocket plus a pilot hole for the screw in one step. This jig's 2 drill guides position a pair of pocket was at perfect spacing on the width of a 2x4 or 4x4. If you want to vary the spacing, or if you want to use just one drill guide though, you can twist the 2 drill guides apart and then use them separately. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.